afternoon, welcome. This is Neco here, 2019 English Objective Pass question. Question number 24. And the instruction here says choose the options letter A to E, the one that is most appropriate interpretation for each of the following statements. And we're using this instruction to answer question number 21 to 30. And the sentence here under question number 24 says the new candy is sold a dime a dozen. This means that the candy is dash. The new candy is sold a dime a dozen. So this question is from idiom, and the idiomatic expression here or statement is a dime a dozen. And when you say a dime a dozen means something that is common or worthless. Then option A says available, option B says cheap, option C say quoted, option D say expensive, option E says scarce. So when something that is common, by the definition of a dime a dozen, something that is common, it means that it is cheap because it is available. Then option B is correct. So correct option is option B. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.